Click on the link below to get price. The Xpower XD85LH commercial LGR dehumidifier stands out as an exceptional choice for those seeking reliable moisture control in basements and crawlspaces. This unit operates with a powerful and efficient design that can remove up to 85 pints of water per day, making it ideal for combating dampness in larger areas. Its sleek blue exterior not only adds a touch of style but also serves a practical purpose. It is durable and built to withstand heavy use in commercial environments. One of the most impressive features of the XD85LH is its Low Grain Refrigerant (LGR) technology, which enables it to perform effectively even in spaces with high humidity levels. This technology ensures that the unit maintains high efficiency, extracting moisture from the air without excessive energy consumption. The Energy Star certification further confirms its efficiency, helping users save on electricity bills while maintaining optimal humidity levels. The unit comes equipped with a built-in pump that allows for continuous drainage, eliminating the need for manual emptying of the water tank. This feature is particularly beneficial for long-term use since it facilitates hassle-free operation, making it suitable for professional environments such as restoration services or construction sites. The adjustable humidity control knob provides users with the flexibility to set their desired humidity levels according to specific needs, enhancing user experience. Another highlight is its portability. The XD85LH features ergonomic handles and durable wheels that allow for easy transport between different locations. Additionally, the robust construction ensures that this dehumidifier is built to last, making it a worthwhile investment. Noise levels are surprisingly low for a commercial-grade unit, allowing it to be operated in residential settings without causing disturbances. Overall, the Xpower XD85LH emerges as a powerhouse of a dehumidifier, providing excellent performance, durability, and user-friendly features that make it a top choice for anyone needing reliable moisture control.